Hey there friends, in this video I'm going to show you how you can use Claude to turn your messy to-do list into a day-by-day weekly planner. So I've got a to-do list here that I've written up, and I pretty much just dumped everything I needed to do within the week into a single text file. And right now I kind of don't have the brain power to organize it. So let's have Claude do it for us. All we have to do is go to Claude AI and you should be greeted with a new prompt page. So now we can start writing our prompt. I'll keep it simple but descriptive. Here is my to-do list for the week. Please organize it into a day-by-day weekly planner from Monday to Sunday. Take the following into account. So prioritize deadlines first. I work Tuesday, Thursday evenings from 5 to 8 p.m. So keep those days lighter. And spread heavier tasks so I'm not overloaded. What else? Group similar tasks together. Lastly, flag anything that looks more urgent than I might realize. The to-do list, and yeah, looks good. I'll go ahead and click send. I've also got the extended model on, so this means that it just takes a little bit longer to think about what it replies. So let's give it a minute or two to sum it up, and it should be done within a few seconds. So here is the finished product. I'm very pleased with the results. This is pretty much exactly what I had in mind. Everything is very organized. It took into account my shifts, took into account the deadlines, and yep. No complaints, honestly speechless with how well it did. So I'm gonna head and click on this arrow and download. So this just saves the file for future use. If you also want to make any edits, you can take a look at the code it used using this button right here. Overall, I don't really want to make any changes. It even made notes on how heavy the days are. So there you go. That's how you can use Claude to stay organized, how you can how you can use it as a lifestyle tool to help plan out your weeks. I hope you were able to learn something new, and thank you for watching.